All right, my wonderful students. So the first thing I want to show you is what an academic journal is. A lot of times when you guys are doing these multiple choice questions on which source is the most credible, one of the options is going to be an academic journal. And this is like above and beyond going to be the best option, like even better than a .edu. Here's why. So here's a search I did, and I'll just click the first one just to show you. So you actually have to download it as a PDF because it's like almost as big as a book. It's like 100 pages long. And for this, you actually have to pay for it. And why is it so awesome? Well, here's why. When I talk about citing your evidence, this is what I mean. So this academic journal was not just written by one person. It was written using all of these people's already existing research and information. So all these people are a part of this academic journal. All of their research, all of their previous work helped to write this document. When you find a .com, at best, it's only going to be written by one person, like just one out of these, 50 people, and you don't even know if you can trust them or not, right? Most of these people are doctors. You don't even know if you can trust someone who just writes like a .com, sometimes even a .org. So that's why we trust it so much. All these people, all of their research, all the years of knowledge goes into it. Okay. Second thing, the directions are going to tell you to create your own reading tracker. If you are confused or stuck, watch the rest of this video. If you already are able to do this, then go ahead and do it yourself. Just stop the video. And if you get stuck, come back to it. Okay, so here's how you do it if you don't know. Step 1, go to Google. Done. Step 2, click the grid in the upper right hand corner and press Sheets. Grid, press Sheets. Okay. Step 3, click Blank. Okay. Step 4, click Share, then type my email address. Okay, share. Oh, first I have to title it. I should include that as a step. So this will be reading tracker. Okay, so I will type that and save it, but because I'm just going to delete this, I won't. Type in my email address, TD. There you go, and press send. Okay. Step 5. Fill in the top row of columns A through E as follows. Okay, so what that's saying is here are the different columns and here are the different rows. So it's saying the top row, so number 1, the top row across this way, label it as follows. So number 1 is date, B is supposed to be title of your book, C is page started, D is page ended, and this is, I'll copy and paste this, scale of 1 to 10, how well you did today. Okay, from now on, and you might want to drag this over, from now on, sorry, wrong one, this one. From now on, whenever you are doing independent reading, you always fill this in, okay? This is how I'm going to give you your grade. This is how we're going to have our conferences. This is how I know you're actually reading the same book each period. It's going to be by checking this. Okay? Any questions, raise your hand. But instead of asking me, you should probably just rewatch the video. Good luck, my wonderful people.